Sonia baby.
How far now?
Adele, come today. Shey Oga say make you no come today.
I said let me prepare food for Oga. Make I bring food for her, make him chop.
You do well, oh. Everything you prepare for her.
Okwa.
Eh? Oga dey like ukwa well well.
Eh.
Oga dey chop ukwa well. If you don't see now, you go chop am.
And he was asking us, everybody go and rest, go and rest. If I was resting, would he see what to eat?
No mind my Oga, no mind my Oga. He just dey talk. But like say, you and my Oga, I don't know. You guys say my Oga don't dey like you.
Eh. Talk true.
No, yeah.
Gist me, waiting talk.
Just waiting. I don't talk anything, I beg.
Tell me waiting they talk
I
about.
know this.
Okay, how you take no say Oga dey like me?
And all this already they cook for her. They bring you go chop, clean mouth. If you say Oga no they chop anybody food, I lie. The only one joy who they buy food from her now, that woman food now the only food where Oga they chop here.
No, tell me one thing when you talk about.
I'm not gonna tell you anything.
Tell me
I
now.
don't know anything now.
Eze.
I don't know now. No, lie. I don't know anything now. I beg.
Eze.
I don't know.
You don't want to tell me, Adu?
You want to put my
You don't want
work
tell
on my
me.
mouth. I don't know anything. I beg you. Allow me to do my work. Oh
yeah, now make I leave you, eh?
I beg.
Take care.
Thank you.
I'm sorry now. I've been begging you. Will I beg you till I die?
I beg, just leave me. You know, so that thing where you pay me. Pay me well. They fuck up these days. Give me a beg. Leave me. Let them do all this one. Step up.
What now?
See, now Sonia will go to beg. Now she said make I forgive. If not, I will forgive you.
Sonia, don't worry. I could think Sonia, but at least.
Stop now. Let they do that thing.
Okay, I love you.
You know they do that one. If you like luck, you like leave me.
I don't look.
Come on for your Joe. Come on for you.
Chief Lawrence, I would not do it. If heaven falls right now, I will never do it.
Chief Benson, I know that you are very, very obstinate. Once you tie, you don't lose. But that attitude is not good. You need to have a paradigm shift. Okay? And look at the issue from the other side. Now look at me. We are wearing the same shoe. My daughter absconded on the eve of her wedding. So what do you expect me to do? Disown her? Hell no. She remains my daughter. So please, do have a rethink, okay? And change your mind.
Yours is different. Did your daughter elope with your driver? Can you take such insult? Can you? Please, let's not talk about this. I will deal with that boy. I will not spare him. So this boy has been sleeping with my daughter under my nose here. I will not spare that boy for ruining my daughter's life. I would not. I want that boy at all cost. I've placed a bid on him. 5 million naira for anyone that catches him.
5 million naira? As in what? Is he a criminal? Look, Benson, I'm your friend. Now, let me give you a plausible solution to this impasse. Pick that boy. Clean him up. Bring him up to your standard and test. Then allow him to marry your daughter. That's it.
Chief Lawrence, I would never do that. Let's not talk about this. A driver in my company, he can never be my test. I would not do that.
Chief Benson, it's your daughter we're talking about. Okay? You don't need to get to the level of Benson. Just unfreeze her account. Let her survive. Okay? Please.
so that she can feel that idiot. I will not do it over my dead body. Yes.
Okay.
That food was so delicious. Thank you very much. You're a wonderful cook. Oh.
I'm glad you like it.
I like it very well. Come on, let me ask you. You said you're from the village and you're an orphan. Your uncle brought you up and you don't know anywhere in the city.
Yes.
So how did you find your way to the city?
Actually, I came to look for a friend. But unfortunately, I was robbed at the park and we lost contact.
Yeah, sorry about that.
It's fine.
Another question, no verse.
Okay.
Where and how did you get the money that you used in buying me that wristwatch? Because that wristwatch is very expensive. I googled it and I saw 250,000 naira.
No, I got it for just 10k.
Yeah!
With my life savings, honestly.
Who are you fooling? I know an original watch when I see one and I saw that one.
Well, I guess I was lucky. Honestly, I got it 10k.
It's an original watch. I'm even scared to wear it out so that nobody will come and snatch it from me.
Well, if they snatch it from you, I will buy another one for you.
Buy what? No, you would. In fact, they will not snatch it from me in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Thank you, eh?
You're welcome.
That night I was just looking at it, looking at it.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you, I like it.
Welcome.
Jojo, what are you doing in my room?
You see, I'm supposed to go out to Bruno, so I thought he's here, so I came to check on him.
And you're scratching your head. No, wait! You actually thought that I'm a loose bitch. I brought a man to hide in my room. Go and search!
Why are you thinking like that? I told you I just came
Have
here
you
to check on
finished
Bruno.
searching? Eh? Get out.
You
Out of my
You're
room!
my fine sister. Fine sister.
I didn't hear you.
Please stop thinking like that.
Out.
How for you?
Wow, this Jojo. As in, he can never mind his business.
Can you stop already?
Okay.
Just stop. There's nothing funny.
Okay, fine. Let me ask you. What is wrong with you? What? Look, your elder sister, who happens to be my friend, can never, ever choose class over the one she has feelings for. Why are you doing this? And remember I warned you when you were bashing Sandra.
Fine. Jesse, what I was trying to say is let me just have this dude first and then forget about him. But as it seems right now, babe, I'm compelled to say that I'm in love with him.
I disagree with you. You don't love him. You're battling with acceptance of the fact.
What do you mean by that?
My dear, you are in love with a mechanic.
Gosh, please just stop.
But that's the truth. And you can't keep on running away from the truth. You just have to accept it. You are in love, baby girl. With a mechanic, of course.
Jesse, just stop it. You're getting me pissed already.
Let me even ask you. What makes him less of a human? Is it because he's a mechanic? My dear, you need to calm down from your father's high castle, okay? And you need to understand that life does not start and end there. That is if you truly want true love. If you love this guy, like you claim, then you need to accept his job, love his job.
I can't even imagine myself loving his job. I can't.
My dear, then you have to shove your love and your feelings into your stomach. Yes.
Jesse, how do I explain this to him? Like, how do I make him understand? How do I make him stop his mechanic job? To stop fixing cars. Like, I mean, I could fit him in any company of his choice in the world. I can't even belittle myself to have something to do with him. That's why I want him to stop doing his mechanic job.
I don't know about that. It's left for you to figure that out. I'm not going to stress myself for another person's love story. Please offer me something.
That's all you have to say.
What is? What else do you want me to say? You're in love with somebody and you don't want to accept what the person does for a living. Does it make sense? I beg.
Ogami, we don't do finish now.
Hey.
We'll see on Monday.
Okay,
Good night,
no
sir.
wahala now. Good night. Sonia, sorry. Can I see you?
Okay. Ogami, find me something for weekend now.
Wait first, make I see him, I go see you. Every time you go,
Wait
they
for
worry.
me.
Every time they give you something for weekend.
Okay, no problem. Yes, sir.
Sorry, I don't know how I can tell you this. I don't know if you'll pick offense. Can you come and cook for me this week?
I thought she would have a girlfriend.
No, I'm not gonna get friend. Why do you ask?
No, nothing. I will just keep.
So can you come and be my girlfriend in the kitchen this weekend?
Okay, fine, I will come.
Thank you.
Good night.
All right. Hey, Nadozie! Tell us a minute, hurry up, make a drop on her before I go out. Time they pass. Yeah.
Hi.
This one you came here by this time. I'm getting ready to go back home. I'm done with work today.
I actually tried calling you, but you never picked.
Oh, sorry, my phone is charging over there. I've been busy all day. Yes.
I can see the work is going fine here.
Yeah. I'm just getting ready to go back home. We thank God. It's going fine.
Yeah. So, I'd like to come over for the weekend.
Come over to my house for the weekend.
Yes. I want us to talk. I mean, talk about us.
Us?
Yes. The thing is, I want us to discuss at length. Hope you don't mind.
No, I don't mind though.
Are you sure?
It's okay.
So, weekend.
Okay.
Oga, me. I don't finish am. Go.
Where is it?
They wait to.
Okay, I will join you people soon. Make her finish with her.
So, Oga, wait.
Wait for me, not me go. I won't go.
No, go.
Yeah, you can wait. Bye. Okay, you said you want to start with him, right?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, I should get going now.
Okay.
Or should I wait?
I will.
It's fine.
Kekube ife nacho. Kekube ife nacho.
What is the matter with you? Why is your face like this? Young girl, I am talking to you. Mom,
Why is it difficult for me to find a perfect man for myself? If he is not too short, he is too fat. If he is not too fat, he is too skinny. Why can't I just get the perfect man, the man of my dream? Now that I have found the perfect picture of the kind of man I want for myself as a husband, He's a mechanic.
A mechanic? You mean, are you for it? You mean a roadside mechanic? Aburu?
Gosh, Mom.
Hi!
He fixes cars.
Wait, if I'm getting it here.
You mean you're having a headache because of a mechanic? Someone who repairs a car and you drive a car too?
No, I'm talking about him being a husband or a fiance.
I can see you're confused. See, don't say what to make your father to tear you apart. And the new day.
Come on, Mom. Stop. I thought you were with me on this. I thought you were going to support me.
Your problem is that you don't even know what you want for yourself. Okay. You want to set me up now, eh? You want me to help you make a choice of a husband so that tomorrow you will not say that my mother pushed me into marrying this man.
Stop.
You know what? Set me up.
Stop. So you're not going to say something really
Please, do not disturb me. I need to rest. I'm resting.
Wait, I'm in love with this guy.
Please, do not disturb me.
Mom! Is that all you have to say? Oh my gosh. I'm not in love with him. I'm in love with him.
Why can't I just get what I want in a man? What's all this? Now I have the man of my dream boy is a mechanic and he doesn't even want to give up that shit for me, for love.
So Juliet, what are you going to do about this one now?
Okay, let me explain to you. Okay, here, I'm going to show them this and this as a template, okay? When you see it and like it, then we can use this for the finished work. Yeah?
Okay.
Then these other ones are when we show them this one and they like it, we'll deliver all of these ones to them so that we can use it for the remaining of the project. Yes, sir.
Juliet, where is my mother?
Your mother? Is your mom missing?
Dad, for 2 days now, I have not set my eyes on my mom. And I've called her and she's not taking her calls. What is going on?
Jojo, so you've not been in this house all this while? Mommy has left the house now.
Why? And to where?
She went to the village. She said she's going to report that for freezing Sandra's account and also to search for Sandra.
And you people felt reluctant about that? And none of you deemed it fit to tell me about it. That is not right. Anyway, I give up on violence. Let us do peace. Dad, please, unfreeze Sandra's account.
You can follow your mom. I would not do it.
Juliet.
Jojo, what is the problem? What are you calling my name for? I don't understand. What's my business in all of this that is happening? You came here and met me discussing something serious with Dad. Please.
Juliet, did you say what is your business in this? Huh? It's obvious you are taking side with Dad. Probably because Sandra is not your biological sister, right? What? Right?
Jojo, how dare you? You should better watch what is coming from your mouth.
Dad, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear what you just said? I will not sit down here and listen to this nonsense that you just said now.
I am begging you in God's name, please, unfreeze Sandra's account. Else, I'm going to destroy everything you built. I will shut down your companies, I will destroy your warehouse. I swear to God I will do it.
Maybe you do that from the police side. Yes. Tell me.
Dad.
There are things that cannot be, no matter you build them. You can only drag a horse to the stream, but you cannot force him to drink water. This world is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. This world is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. This fight is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. Love is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. What you don't know is older than you. What you don't know, everything is not about money or personality. Cause no one was born with a silver spoon. No one was born with a golden spoon.
Yes, we were.
Stop playing with people's emotions.
Okay.
You look so beautiful.
Are you serious? Thank you.
Thank you.
This is how we want to start.
Well, it's just your name in this room. So kiss me. Is it good?
Yes. What are you doing here?
Chief asked me to call Cassandra. So I came in and she was battling to buckle her heels, so I helped her.
Yeah, yes, Mom. I have news, so he was just trying to help me with my shoes.
So he said, yes, he said...
You're going now. I'm going to give you the remaining message.
Okay, Mom.
He said, who asked for... Go!
Thank you, Mom.
You don't know we are running late. I'm sorry, it was just my shoes. It's fine now. How do I look? Manageable. Oh. Let's go.
Ma, you sent for me.
Please shift.
Sorry, Ma.
You may sit down.
Permit me to stand, Ma. Thank you.
It's alright if you say so. Obinna.
Yes, Ma.
I have noticed some kind of movement between you and my daughter. And I want to wholeheartedly believe that you two are just friends. Right?
Yes, Ma.
No emotions attached?
No, Ma.
Good. I want you to talk to my daughter. I want you to convince her to marry James. Because she has refused to eat, nor drink, even talk to anyone since her father declared her as the future wife of James. I want you to convince her to help me talk to her. Please.
Okay, ma. I will.
Good. If you do it, I will grant you a leave of absence. You can resume anytime you like.
Thank you, ma. I'll try my best. I'll try.
All right, you may go now.
Thank you.
What are you talking about? I saw your WhatsApp.
I love you.
I love you too, and you know it. What is it?
It's your mother. She wants you to marry James. Please.
You came all the way from your duty post to tell me that my mother wants me to marry James. I don't get it. But you know I don't love him. Hoping it's you that I love. I don't have any affection for him. I don't want him. I want you. I love you. Please don't tell me anything that will hurt me.
Sandra, take a very good look at me. I have nothing to offer you. I'm only but a driver in your father's house.
I won't care. Obi, all that matters is the love I have for you. Please, don't join them. Obi, please. Let's run away. Let's go far from here.
Run?
Yes.
No. Sandra, see, your father will kill me. Your father will kill us. Please, I beg you. I can't do nothing for you. Just accept him. Accept James. Just marry him, please.
Okay. You want me to marry James, right? If I marry James, I will stitch it on James with you.
Look, you know I would never support you to do something wrong. If you get married to him, it simply means that you belong to him. I think it's for your own good. I can't do much for you. I've got nothing.
You want me to marry James, right? Obina, if I marry James, don't blame me for what I will do. And don't be surprised.
That's how it all happened. I don't know if you're in support of it or not.
Listen up, everybody. I've decided to marry James, just as we all wanted.
Understand that life does not start from where you are. There are things that cannot be, no matter how you build them. You can only drag a horse to the stream, but you cannot force him to drink water. This world is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. This world is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. This fight is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. Love is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. What you don't know is older than.
Okay, baby. So tell me, what will you have to have for dinner? Beans and plantain. Beans and plantain. Okay. I miss you too. Stop, Joe. Your voice is tickling my ear. The road is fine. It's kicking. We miss you. I hope you're going to come back soon. Okay. So, meat or fish? Oh, babe. You are meat. You like meat, eh? Okay, no problem. Come back fast, though. I've started counting, though. Okay. Bye.
Hello, how you doing? My angel, my one and only, the only one that I'm missing. Oh, they bring me joy and blessings. Baby, you know that I love you, and I can't wait to say I do.
Are you singing for me or are you singing for the baby?
But before we walk down the aisle, I just wanna let you know that you're the finest. Girl, now you be the brightest thing I've seen. You're the highest. When it comes to rating, you're the lead. My princess, my only one. Just wanna let you know that no one be like you. Hey, no one like you, one like you. My baby.
You have a nice voice.
This is my horrible voice.
No. Okay, now you're finished singing for me. Now sing for the baby.
What should I sing for the baby now?
Thank
Tatando.
What was that?
But trust me when I tell you that baby was actually enjoying me sing for you.
So now sing for the baby. I sing Tatando.
Where to Zuza, where to see, where Tama Rambu Gofi.
Because he won't say shut up. You get to know your master, but she had desire very well.
No question.
When I say that baby don't do
You're crazy.
If I don't want to laugh, pretty good do for me. Just drive me. You buy me pan. You buy me pan.
So she said she felt it out.
Hi.
I have been searching for true love. True love is hard. I have been searching for true love. True love is hard to find. Love is sweeter, love is gooder, love is beautiful. You are my lover. You enter my eyes, you enter my heart, you enter my brain. Ibadi go kwa misi love more. Yes, I have been searching for true love. True love is hard. I have been searching for true love. True love is hard to find. Love is sweet. Love is sweet. Love is good. Love is good. Love is beautiful. You are my lover. You enter my eyes. My eyes. You enter my heart. You enter my brain. Your body go for me, see love more. Money, yes, I go me, see. Yes, I go me, see your love more. Money, Peter go me, see. Body go for me, see love more. Money, watch I go me, see. Yes, I go me, see your love more. Tomato juice, your body go for me, see love more. Tomato juice, yes, I go me, see your love more. Love more, nego do darling, darling more, sweetie, onyenke more. This love has no boundaries at all. This love has no respect at all. If he catch you, you go become mumu for love. Love catch you, you go become mumu for love. Love is everywhere, love is in the air. Looking for the right heart in my culture and so. I have been searching for true love. True love is hard. I have been searching for true love. True love is hard to find. Love is sweeter. Love is gooder. Love is beautiful. You are my lover. You enter my eyes. You enter.
Ouch. Ah. Ay. Ah!
Mother, what is it?
I don't know.
It's okay. Don't shout, okay? It's okay. Don't shout.
No, Ruby.
It's okay. Don't shout. Okay. Just sorry. Stop shouting. You know what? Just open your mouth and breathe through your mouth. Don't breathe through your nose, okay? Don't shout, please. Don't shout. You know what? Just open your mouth and breathe. Don't breathe through your nose. Open your mouth. Open. It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be alright. The breathing. Sorry.
No,
wait. Open your mouth. Just hold it. Let me go and the baby is coming, okay? Okay. Don't shout.
Sochima, what is it?
I'm trying my best.
What is your problem? What exactly do you want from me? Let it out.
I love you. Frank, I want you. You're the perfect picture of the kind of man I want in my life.
So Madina, I like you as a friend. But I think I'm making a mistake.
Frank, stop.
No, let me finish. You say you don't like my work. And here you are standing before me telling me about love.
Frank, I want you. Wait. Give me the chance to prove my love for you.
There is no chance to give. What are you talking about? You say you don't like my work and you are telling me you love me. Am I an armed robber?
You're hurting me with your words. I'm begging you.
Listen,
Give
no.
me a chance to prove my love.
Don't prove anything.
I want you.
My heart is not going that way.
Please, Frank.
No!
I love you.
You don't love. Listen to me. Like I said, you love me and you don't like what I'm doing. What are you doing, Somebody now? Somebody now! What are you doing? Do you? What? Hey! Sonia! You see, just what you have caused. Sonia! Sonia!
So he has a girlfriend.
I didn't call. Baby, what's happened? You don't go to the house again.
Just leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere.
Why did you cry? What did they happen? Tell me now.
Anyway, just let me be, alright? Just leave me alone.
Sonia, what did happen now? Tell me what they suck now. Try they do this one. Tell me now.
Please, just let me be, alright? I just wish I could just disappear from this place right now. Just leave me alone, please.
I mean, no disappear. We'll try and disappear. See, I dey go call his house. And now tomorrow night me will come back. So you need just the talk now so that man know what you hear.
Just go. I'm fine. Go to your man's friend's house. I'm fine.
Sonia. Okay. There we go. Take care.
What is wrong with me? Why am I crying? Why was I even running? Time, why am I feeling this way? Why am I running away? What's wrong?
You're angry because you're in love. You're crying because you're in love and you don't know how to express it. You're crying because you are scared to fall in love with your master. But truth is, I'm in love with you too. I've been in love with you from the first time you celebrated my birthday.
I've been searching for true love. True love is hard. I have been searching for true love. True love is hard to find. Love is
I want you to say you love me.
Love is good. Love is beautiful. You are my lover.
I love you.
Enter my eyes. You enter my heart. You enter my brain. Ibadi go kwa me see love more.
Yes, doctor.
This is our first issue, right?
Yes, our first issue.
The baby is not positioned well in the womb. We've tried to adjust the baby, but it's not working out.
Doctor, it's not working out. How?
Doctor, please. Try everything you can to help us. Please. Help her, please. We're begging you.
I've contacted my colleague. He said he's coming.
He's coming now?
Yes, but I have to inform you of something. If he comes and tries and it's not working out, we have to carry out the cesarean section on her.
How?
Please, doctor,
Doctor, please, you people should just try. I pray it won't get to that extent. Please, you people should just try, please.
We're trying our best. We'll try our best. Okay, he's coming. Okay, he's around. Let me go and get him. I'm coming. Excuse me. Excuse me.
What are we going to do?
But I thought there is a way they just push the thing. It will go back into position.
What are we going to do? Leave that one. You heard what the doctor said. What are we going to do? In fact, do you know what? This is no longer a child's play. So we have to inform the parents. She is getting weaker. She is not breathing well. Yes. And her blood is not flowing. We have to inform the parents, so that's the only thing we'll do. We have to inform the parents.
And you are right. I think that would be the best thing for us to do. If anything happens to her, Chief will just kill me.
Stop thinking negatively. Nothing will happen to her. Be positive. Everything will be alright.
Okay.
Relax. Nothing will happen to her.
What is all this now? What is all this? I ran away from you guys. They are now you are still chasing me in this state again. What do you really want from me now?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please calm down. My son, calm down. I'm not here to harm you. Just that I am so stressed. For the past months, I've not set my eyes on my daughter Cassandra. I don't know where Obinna took her. Please help me. I am begging you. Help me, take me to Obinna, please.
Mama, this is set up. Oh. This is set up.
No, it's not set up. Please help me. Take me to them, please. I am begging you. You pity me. Just see me like your mother.
Mama, I don't know where Obinna and your daughter is. That's the truth. See, I've been swearing too much in this matter and I don't like it. But then, I swear, I don't know.
Don't swear. Obinna, you know Obinna well. He's your friend. Somehow you know his village.
Mama, I've only been there once. I don't know Obinna's place.
Don't
I don't
worry.
know.
Just take me to the village. You will ask questions. And let's show me the road to the place.
Mama, see me, I don't know that village. There's only once I've been there. I don't know there.
Don't worry. Let's go. Let's show me the road to the place.
No, you don't mean any harm.
I don't.
Let's go now. But I don't know there. We'll ask questions.
When we get there, we'll ask questions. Oh.
Let's go now. You lead now.
I don't want you to change your mind. That's what I'm following.
I will not change my mind. I've accepted.
I am sorry, Daddy. I am sorry, Mommy. I am sorry, everyone. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am forced to run. I am forced to run away. Run away. Cause the choice you made for me wasn't my choice. I am forced to run.
As he shifted it, Mr. Odin, please, we have to carry out the cesarean section on her.
Ha, doctor.
You have to sign for it.
Doctor, please now. I thought you said if it comes, you people will just touch it and the thing will go back into position.
Yes, but it's not working out. You know, like I said before, the baby's position in the womb is abnormal. Right now, we have to save the life of the mother and that of the baby. And that, you will pay 350,000 naira. Yes.
Doctor. 300 and what?
50,000 naira.
Doctor, so you mean she cannot push out her own baby?
She can't.
Hey!
Doctor, I'm going to be honest with you. I was thinking that I'll be able to just pay 30,000 naira for her delivery. But since he has done that like this, you just have to help me see. All the money I saved that I kept for this whole thing is 100,000. Please.
No. I have 50,000.
Please, yes, doctor, she has 50,000. That's 150,000 naira. Please, let's just give it to you so that you can do
Mr. Odin, this is a private hospital. Our hands are tied. There is nothing we can do. I'm sorry.
Please, untie the hand. Please, I'm begging you. This is her first issue and her father would just kill me if she didn't happen.
You don't get it. There's nothing I can do. There is nothing.
Doctor, please, we are begging you. Start with that 150,000.
Yes.
We'll go and run around and bring the remaining one. Please now.
I'm sorry, not possible.
Hey! Doctor, let nothing happen to her. We are begging you.
I am sorry, Daddy. I am sorry, Mommy. I am sorry, everyone. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am forced to run. I am forced to run away. Run away. Cause the choice you made for me wasn't my choice. I am forced to run. I am forced to run away.
You have woken me up now. That's the road to his village.
I don't understand. Just hold on. What are you talking about? Huh?
The road you passed, that is the road to his village. You have woken me up.
We passed that junction over 20 minutes ago. You're just waking up. Why will you be sleeping when you're supposed to lead the way? Doesn't that make sense to you?
But I told you to put off the AC, you refuse. AC makes me sleep. You know I'm not used to all these things now.
Hey, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why didn't you ask me to off the AC?
I did. You refused. It's not my fault. You refused.
Okay, don't be angry. Let me find another available junction and turn so that we can go back.
And just go front. You see when you turn, just pass there. You can use that place.
Don't sleep again, please. The road is far. Don't sleep again.
How is it going to be hard though? It's by the grace of God. I used to sleep whenever I'm traveling.
Take this gum.
My love, my baby. You have always said that we can get through stuff together. This is a time for you to be strong for me. To be strong for our unborn baby. To be strong for us. Please.
I have to go to the city right now. I need to see your mother. I need to talk to your people. They need to know exactly what's going on with you.
I need to get help. I'm trying my best, but it's not easy. But I want you to hang in there and wait for me. Please, baby, I beg you. I'll have to go get your people, but for the meantime, stay strong. I love you.
Ah! Chief!
Frank! How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. Good morning.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, sir. See, if this one you came to my workshop, you would have called me to come to the house or the office now.
Come on. Do I need to call you before I visit you?
You know we come.
Anyway, I was passing by, I wanted to see a friend.
Okay.
And I said, well, let me check how you're doing and see where you're working.
Thank you, sir. You do well.
Yeah. You have a very nice place here.
We thank God, sir.
Big
Thank
workshop.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right. By the way, I want to see you tonight, so I don't know if it's possible for you to come to the house.
Is that what you're saying quietly? I'll come to the house. Just call me, sir.
I trust.
All right, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you, sir.
By the way, just 1 minute.
Chief! Wait, let me call them to come and greet you first. No, don't be here. Yo, Mazia. Eze! Chief!
How are you?
Chief, you're welcome, sir.
Okay, no problem.
I will come, sir.
Okay, I'll be leaving.
All right, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Chief. Hey! Bye-bye, sir.
It's like,
Gave you which money? Were you here when the chief came?
I was there and I heard.
Come on, go and finish up what I asked you to do.
For the boys.
Come on, go and do what I asked you to do.
This money is not good to go, share it now.
Nine go get free money now. Go where?
This money is not good to get gold.
Do you pay for it? Agent and come money in order 2 plates.
Don't panic. Be a man. Everything will be all right. Go well. And don't panic. Be a man. Be a man. Yeah?
Yes, auntie.
When you get to the city, call me so that I'll know you got there safe. Call me. Oh?
Okay, I'll call you. Auntie, please.
Make sure you take care of her for me, please.
I will take very good care of her. Nothing will happen to her. I am there for both of you. Oh?
I'll be back soon.
When you get to the city, be a man and add this to your transport.
Hey.
Just add this. I know it's not much, but add it. This is all I have now.
Thank you.
Let me go back to the hospital.
Okay.
Don't worry about anything. She will be fine. Nothing will happen to her.
Let me rush.
Okay. Take care, oh?
Okay.
Don't panic, oh?
This is a bad omen. I hope nothing has happened to my woman. God, please, I beg you, protect her for me, please.
I'm sorry, she's gone.
Gone to where?
She's dead.
No, doctor! She can't die. My daughter can't die. God, please don't let her die. Please, God. My daughter, you can't die. No! No. Father Lord, please. She will not die. Cassandra will not die. Father, please, I reject it. I reject it. She will not die. She will not die.
One more, right? One.
You see, when I was in school, I used to play this to pay my school fees.
I know your body. Okay.
Frank?
Sir.
I have been meaning to ask you this. My daughter. I mean, would you like to have a kind of, you know what I mean now? I mean, kind of union with her.
Chief, I don't understand what you're talking about, though.
Frank, my daughter said a lot of things about you. Wonderful things, beautiful things. And I was thinking that both of you are getting along, and I was quite happy with it.
We have not discussed that kind of thing before, Chief. In fact, I'm not interested in marrying your daughter. I've never told her anything like that.
Really?
Yes, sir.
But I could see that you were jiving. I mean, I actually thought you were courting.
No,
you know?
no, sir. We are not courting. I only come here to do my work and go.
It's alright. To be honest with you, I thought you were courting, or that you loved yourselves.
Yes, sir. We are not courting. We are not courting. If we are courting, I will tell you now. I have somebody I'm looking at marrying, that we are very close together.
Oh, you have another woman in your life?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So our worldview in match. But your daughter's outlook to life is not like my own. I have somebody that likes my job and, accords it some kind of respect and honor. I'm not interested in your daughter at all. I don't think that one. No. I just come here to work and collect my pay.
It's alright. I think I should be telling you sorry for being too forward.
Sorry for the disappointment, but
you don't have to tell me sorry. I should be the one telling you sorry. But it's like I over-assumed,
No problem. Sorry, sir.
It's alright. It's alright. Man. Okay. Do we still continue? You know I warned you the first time.
Let's see how it goes this time.
I will tell you that headmaster was once a schoolboy. Look at this. You see? You see what I mean?
Okay, catch this.
Yes. I wanted to spot you. Okay, let's have it. You see what I mean?
Don't you think they must have left the country? Cassandra can sponsor it.
It's not possible. Her father froze her account. So she doesn't have money now.
That's sad.
I want to see Obinna. His uncle said they have not seen him for some time now. So I don't know where to go look for him.
I have an idea.
Which is?
I know a place where we can actually see Obinna and your daughter. But I'm not too sure. So don't get, I just have an idea.
Where is that place? Let's go now. Why are we wasting time here? Let's head out.
The place is called Ozoro.
What? Ozoro is a very long place. It's quite a distance. How do we make that?
Well, that's the only place, because then Obinna told me, and I can remember, he said he has an auntie there. And although it's very far, but he has been trying to visit her. I guess this is the best opportunity, and I know Obinna for sure he will use it. Okay. But then, I'm not too sure.
Do you have the address?
No, how am I supposed to have the address? We'll be driving now, we'll be checking, asking people, just the way I've been doing it. How am I supposed to have the address now?
And then they're asking again. I hope you don't sleep.
No, it's not by my power, like I said, it's by the grace of God. For a driving long journey, I used to sleep. What you just do, if I sleep, you tap me up, and I'll be active.
Oh, Dad, I won't take this anymore. No. I won't take this anymore. You won't take it. I said you should try it. Try it. Let me see.
I can try it if you think. Let's see. Dad, I'm going to set your company ablaze. I swear to God, I'm going to do it. What kind of a father are you? Huh? And you and Juliet are making this unfair. Why must my only sister suffer for everything? Why? I said go and do it, let me see. Try it.
Dad! Yes, Obinna, can you imagine? What is he doing here?
Lock that gate! Let him not close that gate. Lock it! are you doing here?
Please just calm down.
Yes, my sister! What are you doing here?
Please just calm down. Your sister needs help. She's at the hospital. I don't have enough money to pay for her bills. Please.
At the hospital?
Yes, at the hospital. Please just calm down, please.
Now let's go. Let's go. Take me there.
Okay.
Move.
Dad!
Enough is enough.
What are you going to
You, open that gate. Let's go. Open that gate.
Dad! Dad! Dad, please come out. Oh, can you imagine? Joe is actually going with Obina. He's living with Obina. Dad, please come. They're actually leaving right now. Jojo! Jojo, where are you going to? Dad, please come. They're actually leaving right now. Where is it? They're gone.
Where is he?
Dad! Why did you let them go?
Did you let him go? Why did you let him go?
Why did you lock the door?
What happened?
Why did you lock the door?
Hey! Your peace, your joy, your happiness. You're my happy pill. Please, marry me and make me the happiest man in the world.
Yes. I will marry you.
Thank you so much, right? Who's that? Hang on.
What are you doing here?
Frank, did you tell my dad that you have a girl in your life? Oh, it's fine. You see, I love you for you, and I'm proud of what you do. See, Frank, I'm no longer going to measure love based on what the person does for a living.
I engaged my woman today.
You what?
Yes, I'm getting married to her. I hope you change. We can still be friends.
Sure, we can be friends. I know I blew up my chances of being with you because of my irrelevant assertions. Can I at least get a hug?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I should get going, right?
Oh, fine. You want to start going?
Mm-hmm.
It's cool.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Baby,
Hi, love.
I thought I heard you talk to someone.
Yeah. She's gone. She just left.
Is she?
Yeah. Chief Lawrence's daughter, the billionaire daughter.
Oh, I see.
Her father thought we had something together.
Really?
Yeah. So what stage are we at now?
Follow me. Frying the plantain.
You're now a young mother.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mom. And she got your eyes.
I know. shining eye, glistering. And I want her to get your character too, not mine. Oh my goodness. You're making me blush.
Yeah, good day, ma. No.
My mom.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes!
Sandra.
Yes! Thank you so much, baby. You gave birth without CS. Yes! Yes!
Mom.
Thank you.
You're my grandmother.
Yes.
Your grandchild.
The youngest of it all.
You're so beautiful.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you, Jesus. My baby.
Sis, congratulations.
Thank you.
Mom.
Yes.
Yes. She's so beautiful.
You're happy, right?
Very happy, ma.
I'm happy you're happy. Okay. Is this my baby? Is this it?
Babies.
I'm not a grandmother.
Yes! Move! Idiots! Both of you, move this way! Nonsense! Yeah.
What's going on? What's holding it on?
Shut up. I'll shoot you if you don't take time. I am sure someone planted this in your room. I stumbled on this. Both of you have been sleeping with each other under my roof. Having sex. Noisome sex under my roof. Shamelessly, you idiot. I'm sorry, are you mad?
Dad, let me see. Dad, I planted this camera in her room because I suspected she's inviting a man into her room. And I planted this, but I forgot to check on it. I never knew it's this bastard.
You're gone now. You're creating unnecessary tension. What is going on? Leave the drama. Listen, I came with our daughter Cassandra. She just had a baby. She doesn't need this tension you're creating. This drama is not necessary. Trust me. Stop, please.
Please, I will attend to that later, please.
Ah.
Look at these two fools. No wonder Cassandra hated him so much. I can't believe that these two idiots, these two animals, have been sleeping together under my roof, recording themselves. Imagine such nonsense. Oh, shoot.
No, don't shoot. Don't shoot. That's murder.
Please, I swear to God. It's not what you think. Please. Please.
I knew you were having an affair, but I didn't know who he was with.
Please reach it out for me.
Okay.
Says, hi babe, meet me at the club tonight.
Oh,
hey, it's private. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That number looks familiar. What number? No. It's just a new guy asking me out on a date tonight.
That must be Dan.
Yes, Dan.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, just that the number is looking kind of James' number. James? Come on. Did you just say James? No. It can't be James's number. Well, why will I be seeing him in the club? James is your man, and you are getting married next month. Right? Seeing him in the club is... What am I discussing with him in the club? No, that's bullshit.
Never mind this.
No, I can't do that. I can't do that.
I'll go inside.
That's fine.
Alright. So it was you.
I'm sorry, it's not what you think. It's not what you think, I'm sorry.
No wonder Cassandra hated you. Both of you. You, James, you are fired. Juliet, I disown you henceforth. Shut up your mouth. Now both of you should leave and never to come here again. Now leave! Before I do something funny, leave! Move! You bastard.
Honey, she just had a baby. Please, we're sorry.
I'm sorry, Chief. Please. I'm so sorry, sir.
It's okay, stand up. Get up, come. Come! Now, go and get your people. Whatever you have, bring it and marry my daughter officially. Chief, it's okay. Henceforth, I will make you the manager of my company. Come.
Thank you.
As for this idiot,
Thank you, Chief.
they are fired.
Thank you, sir.
Nonsense.
Thank you.
You see,
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma.
Hello, my madam. Yes, oh. I just dey miss you for workshop like this. You don't reach your village? Ha! I dey miss you. Buy me something or buy me village things when you dey come. Sonia International. I dey miss you. Buy me village things, so buy me bread. Yes. Okay, everybody there, I go greet them. I just dey miss you. Yes, okay. Oh yeah now. Okay. Now wow. This life now wow. What is smart boys so that they here now?
Yes. I need you to come to the house tonight.
Okay, Chief. I'll be there, sir.
No, just for us to have dinner together.
All right.
Okay, good. Please don't fail, okay? All right.
This Chief. This one you are inviting me, I don't know what your plan is, so because me I no go marry your daughter. Oh. If you like, give me all the millions in this world, I will not marry your daughter. I don't know why you are calling me and inviting me for dinner. It is only Sonia I love. Oh. She's the one I love in this whole world. Let me get there first and see what he's calling me for. Fortune and why I put unga or teacher.
Who be that? I know. I come. Yeah. How far? Are you tired? You sick? What did they worry you?
What you doing now?
Wait. This one where you need that. Like say don't give girl belly.
Oh, why you go talk that kind of thing now?
Oh, you can't beg me money. I don't get money, oh.
See finish.
You crazy me? Which one is this one? Where you go pluck all this rubbish come from? You how they do this one?
Now flower now, you see which one be that one?
What is that one you do?
See, mechanic don't do, you know, they understand anything. Now flower, I give you flower, look am now.
They insult me, no problem. What now is it to do? Eh? Who can they teach all this rubbish? Oga, see, I don't get your time, I beg. Which one be
just look am now, look the flower now. You know see na flower, look am.
I don't see as na flower.
No be spanner na flower, look am.
Then they do you. Which one be with spanner? Guy, do well. Which one? Wait oh. Here. Who get that?
You now. See, I don't tire for this relationship. You understand? Just marry me and no talk no. I know you take no as an answer. Just marry me. Maybe we'll just start life. You get more money when I win for bet.
Hey, I don't see something, Ebube. Ma marry you. Now 10,000 naira when you win for best, now you always marry.
We can't insult with that one.
How much you win for bet?
See, this is a mechanic money. I win 4 million.
For wetin?
4 million naira, milli.
Wait, I don't marry you. I don't marry. Are they crazy?
I talk out.
I don't marry. Wait, 4 million.
Yes, now.
Oh my phone, come. Go that church, go marry. Sharp, don't waste time.
What you now? We need to see mama now. We first go see mama.
Go do this thing sharp for church. Come. Wait, Sonia, make me go church now. Go around this matter.
No, I will do that kind of one. Correct. See, we go see mama. First, make I see your people, settle everything. One. Check out. See, na millionaire be, na milli, everything correct.
Who teach you this one?
You know,
I don't see get sense like this.
What you dey talk? This is expensive, you know now. As millionaire now, you know, you supposed stand up, say they watching me.
I go hug you.
Well,
searching for true love, true love is hard. I have been searching for true love, true love is hard to find. Love is sweeter, love is good,
Frank,
love is beautiful. You are my lover.
How would you like to travel abroad? To countries like China, Japan, Korea, countries where cars are manufactured. When you go there, we put you on training, proper training. Then after your training, we strike a deal with them to help us set up a car assembly plant in Nigeria here. Then automatically you become a car manufacturer. How does that sound?
Me, Chief.
Of course you.
Chief. That would be wonderful, sir. Thank you so much.
Of course it would be wonderful. On the ground that you marry my daughter.
Chief, I've told you I cannot marry your daughter. I don't hate her. I don't hate your family, but I have somebody I proposed to that I want to marry. I cannot break her heart and come and marry your daughter. I don't know, man. I don't want this thing to deprive me of the blessing you want to bless me. Sincerely, I cannot marry your daughter.
I have been searching for true love, true love is hard. I have been searching for true love is hard to find. Love is sweeter, love is good, love is beautiful. You are my lover. You enter my eyes, you enter.
You will be my first son-in-law. You thought I was referring to Somadina. I was actually referring to Sonia.
How? She's my worker.
Yes. Sonia here is my first daughter.
It's a lie. I'm a man of woman now.
My love, I don't know where to start. But I just want to say that I'm deeply sorry for not... I'm sorry for hiding everything from you. Meeting Ebube was an accident, but that same accident led me to you.
Are you serious? How?
From the moment I set my eyes on you, I fell deeply in love with you. I knew my sister was into you. But I also know that her egocentrism won't work for her.
Sister.
Sugar, I am so sorry. This is still Sonia, your mechanic girl. Nothing changed. I'm sorry I didn't tell you all of this.
Frank, please. Frank, come back. Frank!
What is going on here? Mom. What is going on here? Dad. Mom.
Searching for true love, true love is hard. I have been searching for true love, true love is hard to find. Love is sweeter, love is good, love is beautiful. You are my lover. You enter my eyes, you enter my heart, you enter my brain. Your body go for me, see love more. Yes, I see go me, see I have been searching for true love. True love is hard. I have been searching for true love. True love is
Yes, that's you.
Flesh and blood.
My daughter. Is this you? Hey, look at my children. Oh. Nah. Welcome. Oh. Welcome.
Auntie. How are you, Auntie? It's me.
My daughter.
Good to see you. And to see everything is settled now.
Are you serious?
Yes, Auntie.
Hi! God, I thank you. Oh, I thank you, Father. Oh, Namo. Hey, my daughter.
So,
Now, welcome, oh. Welcome.
I actually came to give you a good news. I came to tell you that we'll be traveling to London.
God, I thank you.
Thank you, Lord.
Hey!
And that is not the only thing. The sweetest part of it all is that you are coming with us to London.
What did... Let me explain to you. Let me explain to you very well. You're not just coming to London with us for the wedding. You're going to be staying with us permanently.
Hey! Hey! Mama, London. To stay!
Yes, sir.
Hey! Hey! My daughter. Hey, God, I thank you. I thank you, Father. Oh. Hey! You said London. London. Maureen will go to London. Of course. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Thank you, Auntie.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hey! Hey!
Auntie, you're going to make that young porridge for me.
Is that all?
Yes.
No, what do you want? So I said I will do it.
I'm going to make my own young porridge.
Come. Now, welcome. Hey!
Listen, you go market, go buy that camera, go use that other one. You hear me? It will be hurry up with that thing now. Hurry up with that thing now. And you have to go watch. Go and make sure that you know throw away.
Oga, let you go. Eh? Sonia!
Yes?
Hey! Sonia baby!
See Sonia. Not the sound. Hey, Sonia baby. Hey, again there, not the sound. Sonia. Hey, what a killer.
You're looking at Sonia actually.
Sonia.
Yes.
Sonia baby.
I beg a smoke, I be in my eye. They do me like this.
Yes, it's me.
Wait. She, we, Naira beds. Pick up package.
Hey. Actually, I was the one that paid for your sister's WAEC fee. I also paid for your father's hospital bill.
Yeah.
And Soma here is my younger sister.
Hello, sister.
Sonia, now you run that matter.
Don't people they help you. If people they help you well. Don't they? You go.
It's
Stay
fine.
now. Busy body. You don't know. Stay now.
Olori buruku Sonia. God bless.
Oh, guy.
My love, I am sorry. I'm so sorry you felt deceived. It's not my intention. Look at me, baby. I didn't mean it this way. I did what I had to do. I have a reason why I did that. And what I did has brought us together. If I didn't do it, I might not meet you. I am sorry. Please forgive me.
Oh, Gaga. See, Oga, no, do be about for this one, no. Don't forgive her.
Come.
Hey, Oga don't win this one. Oga don't win this one. Oga don't win this one. Oga don't win this
We get married for you.
If we catch you, we go become for love. If we catch you, we go become for love. Love is everything.
Oh, that be small kiss for the way did now.
There are things that cannot be, no matter you build them. You can only drag a horse to the stream, but you cannot force him to drink water. This world is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. This world is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. This fight is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. Love is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. What you don't know is older than you. What you don't know, oh no. not about money or personality. Because no one was born with a silver spoon. No one was born with a golden spoon. A big loss to go, so stop playing.